Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable Chat and Spaces notifications in Gmail on your phone. If you find those constant pings distracting, turning off these notifications can help you stay focused and reduce interruptions. First, start by opening the Settings app on your phone. This is where all your device's system controls live. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps to see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Look for Gmail in that list and tap on it. Here, you'll access all the app-specific settings. Once you're in the Gmail app settings, tap on Notifications. This will take you to where you can manage the types of alerts Gmail sends you. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks down notifications into specific types so you can customize them individually. Among these categories, find Chat and Spaces. This controls the notifications related to Google Chat conversations and Spaces within Gmail. Finally, toggle the switch off for Chat and Spaces notifications. This will stop your phone from alerting you about new chats or Spaces messages within Gmail. By following these steps, you efficiently disable only the Chat and Spaces notifications without turning off all Gmail notifications. This way, you'll still get important email alerts while enjoying a more peaceful notification experience. That's it. You now know how to selectively turn off Chat and Spaces notifications in Gmail through your phone's settings. With fewer distractions, you can get more done and enjoy your device on your own terms. Thanks for watching.